Hello everybody, today we have a new video in our channel here, and I want to show to you the Pittsburgh 10-ton hydraulic body repair. This, I want to leave the link under my channel right now. If you want to buy this machine on internet, you can buy from Amazon. I'm gonna tell you where you're gonna buy and how much you're gonna pay for this and what you can do with this machine here. This is a 10-ton hydraulic body repair kit, so you can read the safe manual instruction. Make sure right here, you make sure you're gonna do the right things so you don't wanna lose your machine, correct? Okay, so I'm gonna tell you why you fix it here, what you're gonna do today. So let me explain to you. We buy this car from the auto auction, and this car here is 2009 Fusion, Ford Fusion, 2009 Ford Fusion. The problem here is this car had an accident. So he got an accident, somebody hit behind here. When hit behind the car, what happened is, when it hit here, so you see the bumper is cracked. They pushed the bumper inside, and this piece here was inside, was like right here. So what I did, this is why I didn't record it before I came to start the business. To start the job. But let me explain to you how you did. We took this part here and push. You connect right there. You take this one here, the long one, and we connect here. I need to hold my phone. This way. Okay, let me explain to you here. Okay, there you go. And we connect right there. Okay, and this part here, we connect that direction. Okay, it's gonna work. It's okay, take time. And we connect here. And you can use your tools right now. Doing this. I'm not using tools because I finished. But I want to explain to you what you can do with this machine. Okay, with this. Okay, there you go. So now I have a connection. I connect right here, and I use the wood to make sure you're not gonna bend the back of the car. Okay, and this part, I know the pressure. What I was wrong here is the middle. So I use the middle to make sure all my pressure is gonna be right here. You're gonna make this back. Okay. So now we're gonna do, I have to connect that. You can push this here, like here, this part, connect it and make pressure, tie the little part in the back there. So we tie here to make sure the air don't go anywhere. Tie this part here, you make everything set up. And now when I make a pressure here, what happen is, look, if I make pressure here, let me tie here, make sure. Okay, we connected. Okay, there you go. So I have connected there, that part. So when I make compression here, you can see here, I'm gonna show just a little bit. Look, start open. See, there you go. I don't wanna use more pressure because it's already on the place. There you go. So if you wanna buy this, I did the pressure and I start check how far this was inside. And what I did is, look, there you go. The car is working already. Now I'm gonna open. Look, it's open. Now let's try the key. Oh, the key is working also. My key is locked. I have the key in my hands. I wanna put the key. It's open. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this for you. I will use a lot this machine. I didn't know how good it is. I saw a lot of reviews on the internet, but I didn't know until I tried it. So, and I bought this, and I'm gonna leave the link on my description under below. If you wanna buy this, you can buy it. Look, I bought a 10-ton already, 10-ton, because I used this machine many times. The first job that I did this, the price that I paid for me back maybe 5 times. The first time that I bought this machine. Good machine, is portable. You can move, you can use your car. So before you buy the car in the auction, you check if you see the job, you can see your job done. Okay, so I'll leave the link behind on the description, the video. If you wanna buy 10-ton, the Pittsburgh company, you can buy this. You're gonna take your money back. I mean, you're gonna make your money fast. Okay, so let me put one more time, close one more time. There you go, the job is done. All right, okay, thanks, subscribe my channel and keep for you see more jobs I'm gonna do using this machine. Thank you very much.